Hello, family and friends. Welcome to Pagans Beauty. So good to be here with you today. If this is your first time being here, thank you for joining me. And if you're returning, welcome back. So good to be here with you. Today, we're going to start off with a feel-good food for thought. Our feel-good food for thought is going to be look at the glass half full versus half empty. When you look at things halfway full, you look at the positive things, the things that are going good in your life. When you look at it halfway empty, you're looking at the negative side, right? The lack of. Look at everything and give thanks to what you have, because you're going to find that you're going to be so thankful and you're going to be overwhelmed with all the good things you have versus the lack of. That's what I have for you guys today. So I'm sending a lot of love your way as always, and I hope you're having a beautiful, joyous day. Today I'm going to have updos, of course, because I love doing updos, but for the holidays, because I love the holidays. Christmas, New Year's is soon approaching, so here are some just good ideas, elegant, sexy styles for you guys to learn. So make sure, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment your favorite part, and share at the end of this video. Okay, guys, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hello, friends. We're going to start off with two ponytails, pigtails. The left ponytail, we're going to do a 4-strand braid, braided all the way down, and we're going to tie it with a rubber band. A clear rubber band is always the best. After finishing the braid, fan out the sides to give the braid a fuller and more voluminous effect. Pull the braid in a circle, making sure the end of the braid is the middle of the circle, completing the flower. The left pigtail, we're just going to twirl it around in a 2-strand twist. Make sure to tie the end with a rubber band. Circle the 2-strand twist around the flower and pin it. The beautiful flower is now complete. Simple and beautiful. Start off with a single ponytail. With the ponytail hook, we're going to slide 1 inch of the ponytail hair and slide it through the left 1/2 inch sections, simultaneously going at an angle from left to right. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you mess up, just try again. Practice makes perfection. I hope you guys are doing well and having an awesome, amazing day. Thank you for watching this video. Hey guys, now you can see the angle is forming from left to right. Continue to take 1 inch sections of the hair until the hair is completely finished in an angle. We're going to 2-strand twist the top of the hair all the way down until all the hair is twisted. And at the end of the twist, make sure to use a clear rubber band to tie it. Looks complicated, but it's so easy. The end of the twist, we're going to pin it on the side of the hair. Friends and family, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.